And we're back to learning Gimp here, day 60. Let me show you how you can draw straight lines. In earlier versions of Gimp, this wasn't that easy to do. And you can see if you try to do it by hand, it's not going to be perfect, even with the calmest hand. Just as a reminder, under View Zoom, you can zoom out to Image in Window. Shift-Ctrl-J is the shortcut for it. I've mentioned that shortcut a couple of times, but just as a reminder. Let me use a different brush, and here you can see again, I've tried to stay as calm as possible, but it didn't work. But what if I just left-click and then I hold Shift? Well, this is actually the new function, or at least a function that wasn't available in earlier versions, and it has improved using the paintbrush quite a lot. So you can left click and then hold Shift and go to the position where you think you want your line to end, and you can see this helper line, you could say, and this indicates where the line is going to be. So this is super helpful. Just left click again, and then you will have this line drawn where the helper line was before. By default, it's going to start at the top left on your canvas right here. So if you don't add a start point, this is going to be the start point by default. But to be perfectly straight, so even the angle, you also have to hold Control. So hold Shift for the helper line, and if you hold Control, the helper line will snap into certain increments, usually 15 degrees, so from 0 to 15, 30, 45 and so forth. And this will help you quite a lot if you want to create straight lines with the paintbrush. So if you compare it, at the top is the freeform by hand, second one is with holding Shift, and the third one is with holding Shift and Control. So if you know these shortkeys, this really helps with something that was somewhat hard to do in earlier Gimp versions. And this also works with every brush preset. So if you, for example, use an image as a brush here, the pepper that's inbuilt, you can easily align that using these shortkeys. Hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.